Hi teachers, this is Mr. Beggar. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on a new document that we have recently created as a result of last month's IAT meetings. One of the suggestions that was made was for better communication with our 8th grade flow class, which is a targeted study hall for kiddos. In addition to that, finding a way to better communicate with our special education department on specific individual assignments that students may have. So I don't think this document's perfect. Obviously it's creating a little bit more work, and I think one of the downfalls will be the continued reliance on teachers to have to update this thing all the time. But I think it's worth a shot to try. So let me just show you what we've got and how you can utilize this document to be more effective communicators. So I've got the Joliet Middle School ICU document, which we all have access to. The first tab down here is the ICU document that's being used, I think, quite effectively to communicate to me who's in ICU and there. What I've done is I've added a few more tabs across the bottom. And this is not a requirement, but I do think that it will help clean up communication. My understanding is that a lot of teachers are just emailing specific assignments to the teacher. This could be a way to perhaps help clean that up. So if you click on Flow Communication for 6th grade, I've got the week here. So this is the week of 11/18. And then Miss Milton might be able to put in a general comment, and this is for class-specific information. So say we worked on chapter 2, questions 3 through 10. And then I'm the flow teacher. I could log in here and I can see, okay, all of the students worked on that assignment on Monday when they come to flow, or if I've got study hall time in my class, I know that the kiddos can be working on that specific assignment. I can ask them to show it to me. So that could be done for all of these classes. North America map, label, all rivers. And then we can have the students work on that on Tuesday in flow. So I think you guys get the point on that. I've created different ones for 6th grade. I see I've got an edit error here. 7th grade is here to do the same thing. I will change the classes to reflect the classes that 7th graders take, and we do the same for 8th grade here. So those are more general class level type comments that you would put in there for all kids. Now, if there is communication that you want to communicate on a specific individual student, they're not doing that. This is the assignment that they need to work on in flow and or in a SPED class period. We could try using this document, which is very similar to ICU. I have added a date assigned, a date due, student name, teacher, and you get the point. Short description, and then give our team more of a detailed description here. These might be for assignments that aren't necessarily worthy of putting the kid in ICU quite yet, but they do need to be working on this in one of their class periods. So let's try the document. When we come around to IATs in December, we'll kind of judge the effectiveness of it. Maybe it's too much work, maybe it's too hard to update, and we'll see how it goes.